Hey, I'm Gerald. This is Terry. This is Shane. We're three brothers together.
All right. Well, routine thing happening in the summertime, mowing grass. Everybody likes grass as long as it's neat, well mowed, manicured. Grass keeps the weeds back. So I come home. My wife says the lawnmower's not mowing the grass well. I know what the problem is. It is a dull blade. It's ratchet, socket, and for this one, what do I have here? 5/8 socket and ratchet. I'm going to put that right on that bolt. Gonna loosen it up. Doesn't take long, but gosh, is it aggravating. Okay, got that out. Little flat washer. Yep, I'd reckon it is dull. Well, this is the way I sharpen them. I take an angle grinder, set the edge, finish up with a file. If you're going to sharpen them, sharpen them. I like them sharp enough to slice bread and bologna. So, here we go. Brother, if you plug up that angle grinder. That blade's on about, I don't know, 50 degrees. You can see that slope right there. I'm just guessing, about 50 degrees. Which is plenty good enough. This blade has never been sharpened before, but it's about to be. So I'm going to put an edge on it, and it's not sharp at all. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put that right on the edge of that. Take my angle grinder, and it looks like I need to put a new wheel on it, but this is going to be good for what I'm doing. Now, I'm not going to reinvent the wheel. I'm going to stay at the same angle I've got. So here goes. You might need safety glasses for this too. Always keep the sparks from flying back in your face, because there's going to be some. Okay, I'm going to stop right there and just check it. You cannot check sharp with a pair of gloves. I have to have my hands on it. That feels pretty good. It just took a little bit, you know. Okay, now I'm going to finish up with a file. And I'm going to tell you why. For me, this rough grind right here allows little microscopic scratches down that tend to collect grass, and grass creates rust, and rust dulls blades. So, in that combination. So, I'm just going to smooth this up. Dress this down a little bit. Now, don't do this. That gets you cut if the file skips. You want to go this way. Tapping it every once in a while to get the metal dust out of the file. Brother, I believe I need a better file. Let me get another file. Better file. Oh yeah, this bad boy's cutting. Now, that's sharp. Now I want you to notice, if you can look at that right there, if Shane can move the camera, you'll notice there is some glinting along the edge. Now, when you're looking at that edge, you roll it backwards and forth and you see glint on it, and it means that part of that edge is rolled over, just like that. So, you want to come back, kind of straighten that edge just a little bit. Everything cuts better when the edge is straight. All I'm doing is taking that little fine microscopic piece of metal that's rolled over like that, and I'm getting rid of it, straightening it out. Just lightly with your file, and you'll see those little shavings applying, especially if you're doing it in the sun. You can see them. Now, that's sharp. That's very sharp. Now, we're ready to put that back on. Maybe my wife will let me sleep in the house tonight. I don't know about you, home chores are a headache. You hear me? It's a headache. They always come up right when you don't want them to. You can't plan for them. And if you're like most men, I got to think about it, and I got to have a plan before I start. And sometimes my plan gets broken up. Regardless of how manly I appear to be, my wife's kindly in charge sometimes, guys. Yep. So, let's put this back on, make her happy. Now, see these additional holes here? Look at my, I'd call this a keeper or a modified washer. It's got these little protruding pieces of steel there, and that's made to go in that hole if I turn it upside down like that. And as you compress the nut or the bolt, this comes up through, it goes up through the bottom of the shaft of your motor. That compresses that, keeps this blade from spinning free. Sometimes you can hit something with your lawnmower, that blade will spin free. We don't want that. We want it tight. Okay, but we don't want to over torque it either. All right, brother. There it went. Finally snapped in. Okay, good and tight. Alrighty, the next rule of thumb would be to probably start it up and see how well it's mowing. I'm pretty confident I've got it though. Let's see. I'm not going to do much of that. I don't want her to know I still know how. But yeah, sharp. So there you go. How to sharpen a lawnmower blade. So, there you go. That's it for sharpening a lawnmower blade. Happy to help you. See ya.
Pretty good day. It's better than sitting at home. If you enjoyed any of this, if you're learning anything, subscribe. Like our channel.
Like.
That's right, like. And
Like.
share it with your friends. Share.
Share. All your friends.
Even on Facebook.
Yes. So, that'll make us happy, and we can afford meal for cornbread and fire for our stove. We appreciate you. We'll see you guys.